Hello friends, welcome to Devil's World Recipes. Today, we bring you a very nice recipe. Everybody knows Chinese takeout, and today we're going to prepare sweet and sour chicken. This is a beloved dish in the American Chinese cuisine that its roots come from mainland China, where sweet and sour sauces date back all the way to between 600 and 900 in the Tang Dynasty. What we're preparing today, it's a dish that Chinese immigrants brought to the States, and they started preparing it especially around the Chinatowns in San Francisco and New York, using ideal ingredients that they could find easily, like ketchup and canned pineapple, just to adjust to the American palate. It is delicious. It's not a very difficult recipe, but it takes some time, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So now, let's get cooking. The ingredients we're going to need are 2 pounds of chicken breast, half a cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. That's for our marinade. For the batter, 2/3 cup of flour, 8 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 cup of water. For our veggies, we're going to need half a pound of carrots, 1 onion, 1 pound of bell peppers, 3/4 pounds of pineapple, 3 garlic cloves, 1 ounce of fresh ginger, and for our sweet and sour sauce, a 1/3 cup of ketchup, half a cup of brown sugar, a 1/3 cup of red vinegar, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and half a cup of water. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to take our chicken breast and we're going to cut it into small cubes, bite size. Once we have them bite size, we're going to put them in a bowl. Now we're going to start preparing our marinade. We're going to add our soy sauce, our fish sauce, and our oyster sauce. And we're going to incorporate real well. We're going to cover our chicken, we're going to mix it, and then we're going to let it marinate in the fridge for at least 20 minutes. To prepare our batter for our fried chicken, we're going to combine our flour, our cornstarch, our baking powder, and our baking soda. We're going to whisk them together, and then we're going to start adding our cup of water a little bit at a time. And what we want is kind of like a pancake batter, just a little bit thicker. This is the consistency we're looking for. After 20 minutes, we're going to take our chicken out of the fridge and we're going to dump our batter on top. And we're going to mix everything real well. Now we're going to put some vegetable oil in a pot, and we're going to start heating up until we reach 350 degrees. And once our oil is ready, we're going to start frying our chicken. We're going to do it in batches so our oil doesn't cool down a lot. And once they're nice golden brown, we're going to transfer them to a tray with some paper towels to remove the excess oil. And we're going to continue until all our chicken is fried. This chicken is looking beautiful. Our chicken is fried, and before we start cooking our sauce and our veggies, it's a perfect time for you to click on subscribe to our channel. If you want to know when new videos are coming up, click on the bell to get notifications. Leave us your comments and request any recipe that you would like for us to try. At the end of this video, don't forget to give us a like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And now let's finish our sweet and sour chicken. The next step is we're going to prepare our veggies. We're going to start by our bell peppers. I picked 3 of different colors just to make the dish more fun. And we're going to cut it into small squares. Then we're going to take our carrots and we're going to slice them diagonally. Then we're going to cut our onion. We're going to cut it into triangles. We want bigger chunks for this recipe. We're going to mince our garlic. And our ginger. We're also going to take our pineapple and we're going to cut it into bite-sized pieces as well. You can use fresh pineapple or canned pineapple. We're going to take a little bit of our water and add it to our cornstarch for a sweet and sour sauce. We're going to add the rest of the water in a pot. We're going to add our brown sugar, our ketchup, our Chinese red vinegar, and our rice vinegar. We're going to go at medium heat and we're going to start mixing. Once it starts boiling and everything's incorporated, we're going to add our cornstarch with water, which is a slurry. And we're going to start whisking, mixing together until our sauce thickens. Once our sauce thickens, we're going to turn off the heat and let it cool down for a little bit. Look at that. We're going to let it cool while we cook our veggies. In another pan with some vegetable oil, we're going to start with our garlic and our ginger. We're going to go at medium heat. And we want it to be very fragrant. Then we're going to add our bell peppers, onions, and carrots. We're going to continue cooking until our peppers and onions start softening. It's going to take several minutes. Then we're going to add our pineapple and we're going to continue cooking. So all those flavors marry. At this point our veggies are ready. We're going to add our chicken Not all of it. I split my recipe. We're gonna incorporate. And then we're gonna add our sweet and sour sauce. We're gonna keep on cooking for a few minutes until everything incorporates. And now we're ready. Look at this. And after all that work, our sweet and sour chicken, just like a Chinese takeout, is ready, and it's smelling amazing. Let's try it. Try the chicken first. Wow. Veggies. Pineapple. The chicken is super flavorful, nice and moist, and the veggies are cooked perfectly. Just like a Chinese takeout, it's delicious. Give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time.